How to fix Booking.com cannot cancel reservation. To fix Booking.com cancellation problem, where the system won't let you cancel your reservation, you must first verify whether you are blocked by the non-refundable policy or a temporary technical glitch. If you are facing a technical glitch, you simply have to head backwards and open your app drawer. From here, search for Booking.com application icon, access the app info panel, head to storage and proceed to clear the cache. And also make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have so, you simply have to switch to your mobile data. And also make sure that you have turned your VPN services off. Once you go through all of these options or solutions, and if you're still facing the same problem, you simply have to launch any web browser of your choice, tap on that search bar, then head to the booking.com. Now, once you're here within the official site, all you have to do is go ahead and log into your account. From there, head to the trips panel and proceed to cancel your reservation. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.